Yes, hello my friends, welcome on Math Lovers TV. In this video, we are going to make one step forward about integers. Before going on, let us have a recap. Question number 1, it's positive 3 plus negative 5. We are going to show that it's negative 2. Now, in previous video, we showed that you have to put 3 counters with positive value and then we are going to add 5 more counters with negative value. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we learned about 0 pairs. If you have positive and negative together, they form 0. That's why this negative and this positive are going to form 0. Negative and positive forms 0, and negative and positive forms 0. Now I left with only 2 counters with negative value. That's why this 2 is going to be equal to negative 2. Question number B. Now, question number B. It's negative 3, negative, positive 7. We are going to show that it's negative 10. Now, usually I have to introduce 3 counters with negative value. These are negative 3. Now, how can I remove positive 7 counters if we don't have any positive counters here? The question is, can we get positive 7 counters without changing the value of negative 3? Yes, it can be. How? We have to use 0 pairs. If I put a positive and a negative together, we have 0. And 0 is not going to change the value of negative 3. We are going to keep doing this until we get positive 7. Now, how many positives do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have already 7 positive counters without changing the value of negative 3 because all of these are 0 pairs. Now we can remove positive 7 as it is instructed in the problem. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now we can count the remaining counters. Now we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We have left with 10 counters with negative value, so the answer here should be negative 10. Now, let us continue to move. The lesson of today is about multiplication of integers. Before doing multiplication of integers, you have first to formulate the math sentence. To formulate the math sentence, we use Positive stand for add, negative stand for remove, and times stand for groups of. Example, if I have positive 3 times negative 4, the math sentence will be add 3 groups of negative 4. Question number 2. If I have negative 2 times negative 2, the math sentence is remove 2 groups of negative 2. Remove 2 groups of negative 2. Now, let us try to go deep. I'm going to take you deeper and understand. Example, if I have question number A, positive 3 times negative 3, the math sentence will be add 3 groups of negative 3. Let us try to model it. First, I'm going to add 3 groups of negative 3. 1, this is one group of negative 3. 2 group of negative 3, and we get 3 groups of negative 3. Now, if I count them together, I get the answer of negative 9. Question number B. Negative 2 times negative 4, the math sentence will be negative 2 groups of negative 4. Now I'm going to remove 2 groups of negative 4. How can I remove 2 groups of negative 4, my friends? First, I'm going to remove negative 4, 2 groups of negative 4 from 0. That's why if I have one group of negative 4 is going to be removed from 0. That's why I have to use 0 pairs. Then this is one group of negative 4. I'm going to put another group of negative 4. Then I have to remove them from 0. That's why I use the 0 pairs. Okay, wow. Now I can remove 2 groups of negative 4 as it is instructed from the problem. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. This is one group of negative 4, and I remove another group of negative 4. Now I count the remaining counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 counters with positive value. So the answer here is positive 8. Question number C. First, we are going to formulate the math sentence. The math sentence will be add 4 groups of positive 3. We are going to add 4 groups of positive 3. Now I think this is simple. One group of positive 3, the second group of positive 3, the third group of positive 3, and the fourth group of positive 3. Now, if I count these together, I get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I get 12 counters with positive value. So the answer here is positive 12. The question number last. We are going first to make the math sentence. This will be remove three groups of negative 3. Now, to remove 3 groups of negative 3, we have to use 0 pairs. This is one group of negative 3. I have to introduce 0 pairs. I'm going to put the second group of negative 3. And then I'm making them 0. These are the 2 groups of negative 3. Now I can use another group of negative 3 like this. One group, 2 group, 3 groups of negative 3. Now let this represent a positive 1. Now I'm going to remove 3 groups of negative 3. One group, 2 group, and 3 group. Now if I count the remaining counters left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 counters of positive value. Now the answer here should be equal to positive 9. Thank you very much for today. I hope this session was interesting. If you are satisfied, please subscribe and hit the notification bell and text me what you want to discuss in next videos. Thank you. See you.